Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Today we are talking tote bag ideas. All the things we talked about last week, pair this guy to elevate it a little bit higher. Also, check the blog post. I do not want to repeat everything we talked about last week, but just know all of those things transpose onto here. The stamping, the painting, the stenciling, the embroidering, the rhinestones, pom-poms, all the things. But now let's talk about what a bag is good for, a small one. I love the period kit. I just love it. I love to be able to give it, but I also love to have one. And I did go through a season where like everything in my backpack and purse was in tote bags. And I love that, but I moved things around so often that I had to like remember what bag was what. So labels. So definitely label with heat transfer vinyl or any of the techniques we talked about. You can add labels, and I'm big into like interchangeable labels too. That way, like it could clip onto here, and then if they want to change the bag out to something else, you can make labels. You could also gift multiple bags and labels, and then whoever you're gifting it to could decide what they want to use it for. And if you're like me and love that type of stuff, you can also DIY that for yourself as well. Stocking it with fun travel essentials for somebody who might be going on a trip, theming the bag around the trip they're going on. Maybe you have a tropical travel bag. I do love this concept, but I like to restock when we get home so that way I can put it away, and when I'm packing, I just grab it. But a warm weather travel bag and a cold weather travel bag, maybe that's a thing. You could do snowflakes on this one and like sunshines on the other. Ugh. Talking about this stuff just makes me want to do it. So you guys need to do it. Jump into the crafty challenge because I'm about to tell you about that at the end of this video. Sleepover accessories, whether it's for you or your daughter or niece or nephews, like boys do sleepovers too, right? So they maybe put their game controller in it and you send them and you're like, you're gonna go on a gamer sleepover with your buddies, like your controllers in there. Maybe you deck this out all boyish. I'm gonna have to definitely do this for my nephews. You have all of your own stuff in your bag and it says Mason on it or it says Cadence. Ready bridal party. Again, we talked about this in the tote, but if like I've been in a wedding where we all got earrings that we were supposed to wear. I've been in one where we all got a necklace that we were supposed to wear. So giving it in a tote bag that you're DIYing with their name on it would be super cute. Literally compartmentalizing all the themes you've got. The period one, the gym one, the hair, like refresh bag, the makeup, if like just my travel essentials, my moisturizers and chapsticks, any craft bags. This one's already one. This one is a mixture of the bling and the rhinestones, but if you want to gift a mini craft bag or you just want to have a mini craft bag maybe in your currently working on projects, one of the things is we're going on a trip and I really want to bring my bling and my embroidery because I get a lot of that stuff done on vacation. Make and takes and party favors. So we talked about that in last week's video, but if you have more ideas for tote bags, little small bags to add on, if we didn't talk about it last week and we didn't talk about it this week, then let us know in the comments. But blog post to this is in the description. My blog posts are clickable blog posts. I'm loving this. So anytime you see a little highlighted word, it's a clickable link, which if you are a member, it will automatically take you to the page that that file is on. So if you're like, I love that Figment inspired skull, I want to know where it is, it'll be highlighted and you can click it. If you're not a member, it will take you to a page that says you're not a member. So you can become one if you want those clickable links to work for you. But if you don't, that's fine too. With that, it's holiday craft creator time. So if you want to win a mystery box that are sold out, no one else can get, I just have a few set aside for the giveaways for the rest of this year. We have Tay's Holiday Creator. You need to tag me with Tay's Holiday Creator, hashtag that in your post, and tag me on Instagram so I can reshare your project. But we have one specifically for the makeup bags. The only requirements are that you use something from our membership and you also tag me. That way I can track who's doing it and I can actually find your projects. I will actually be judging them on creativity and not just by at random. So this is a creator challenge. I want you to take any techniques we've used. Maybe you use a different technique. Also, if you want to, this is not a criteria, but add all the techniques you used in your bag. That would be super cool because then people can see, oh, that's what she meant by embroidering on top of hot glue or embroidering on top of HTV. If you use those, you're not only going to get on my radar for creators, I will also just love seeing your posts, and you're going to make amazing gifts. Whether you win or not, you're going to make something, and this is what is going to challenge you to make that thing even better. 8 different winners. So if you're following along for Frideas and you decide to Fridea something from the Frideas video, tag me. If you want thousands of files, we have a membership. It's $8 a month. We'd love to have you be a part of it. And you get discounts to all of our partners. You get inspiration. You get access to any courses that we're coming out with, which courses are purchasable. If you purchase a course, you can also use any file from there and be a part of Tay's Holiday Creator Challenge. But you can also be a part of any of my challenges with any of my files, as long as you're an active member or you are actively in a course, which you get lifetime access to the course once you purchase it, or if you're a member, you're in that course already. Right now, we don't have very many courses, but they are coming out all year. So if you love it, you can go test out like our crochet course. We have, it's got videos and links and all the files you'll need, and you can definitely join any course as they come out. But the best bang for your buck will be to be a member, because then you will automatically just get access to all the courses. All right, I will see you guys next Friday. Get working on your tote bags and get working on your makeup bags. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.